Welcome back my channel. Today let's explore the Elizabeth II 2 pence coin is part of the United Kingdom's currency, featuring Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and a design related to the denomination on the reverse. The Elizabeth II 2 pence coin from 1996 is part of the British currency system and has an interesting history. Here's a breakdown of its history, geographical significance, and the various conditions it might exist in. Introduction of 2 pence coin. The 2 pence coin was first introduced in 1971 as part of the decimalization of British currency, replacing the old pre-decimal coin of the same value. The coin, along with the other denominations in the new decimal currency system, was designed to replace the old pounds, shillings, and pence system with a more straightforward decimal system. Design and features. The 1996 2 pence coin features a design by Christopher Ironside, which depicts a portcullis with chains, an image that symbolizes the UK Parliament. The coin's reverse shows the portcullis, a strong symbol of British democracy. The obverse features a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Ian Rank Broadley. The year, 1996, is inscribed on the coin. Royal Mint. The coin was minted by the Royal Mint in the UK, which is responsible for producing all coins in circulation in Britain. The mint has been in operation for over 1,100 years, and many of the designs on British coins are iconic worldwide. Place of minting. Coins with the 1996 date, including the 2 pence coin, were struck in London at the Royal Mint's facilities. The mint produces the currency that circulates within the United Kingdom, its territories, and Commonwealth countries that still use British coins. Global circulation. The 2 pence coin, while primarily used in the UK, is also circulated in other British territories such as the Isle of Man and the Channel Islands. However, it is mostly used in daily transactions across Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Minting variations. Over the years, several variations of the 2 pence coin have been produced. However, the 1996 coin is part of the standard series and has no major variations, such as special editions or commemorative coins. The design remained largely the same until changes were introduced in the late 2000s. Condition and rarity. The condition of the coin is crucial when determining its value. Coins can be found in the following conditions. These coins have never been used in circulation and remain in pristine condition, typically preserved in protective packaging. A 1996 2 pence coin in BU condition can be worth more than face value, often around £1 to £2 depending on the demand from collectors. Proof coins are specially struck for collectors and have a higher quality finish. They are made with more care and a different process than regular coins. A 1996 proof 2 pence coin would typically be valued at a higher price, possibly £10 or more depending on its rarity and market conditions. Coins that have been used in daily transactions will typically have signs of wear. A circulated 1996 2 pence coin is worth just its face value, 2p, although in some cases, it may have small premiums based on the level of wear or collector interest. While the 1996 coin itself doesn't have any known significant mint errors, coins with small variations, such as double strikes or misprints, can become valuable collector's items. The Royal Mint sometimes produces limited edition versions, but these are rare. Queen Elizabeth II's portrait was designed by Ian Rank Broadley and has been used on coins from 1998 onwards. The image is a left-facing portrait, and the inscription around it reads, Elizabeth II DG Reg FD, which means Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. The reverse features a depiction of a portcullis, a strong symbol of parliamentary democracy in the UK. The word 2 pence appears along with the denomination, and the design is framed with a simple border. The coin has a smooth edge, unlike some higher value coins like the £1, which have milled or reeded edges. The 2 pence coin from 1996 is primarily of interest to collectors in high-quality, uncirculated, or proof conditions. Most circulated coins are worth face value, but as with any currency, rare errors or unique features, such as low mintage numbers or special commemorations, may increase value. As with many UK coins, they have limited investment potential unless they are in perfect condition or possess unique features. The 2 pence coin is likely to hold its value around face value unless it is part of a rare set or in high-quality condition, in which case it might fetch higher prices in auctions or from private collectors. The Elizabeth II 2 pence coin from 1996 is a part of the standard British currency, initially introduced in 1971 as part of the decimalization of the British pound. Though the coin has little historical significance beyond its part in the overall history of British decimal currency, it is popular with collectors in excellent condition. In circulated form, it is generally worth face value, but in uncirculated or proof form, it can command a higher price. The Royal Mint's ongoing production of coins ensures that this design has remained in circulation for many years, with the portcullis symbol remaining a powerful part of British national identity. The Elizabeth II 2-pence coin from 1971 is a significant part of the United Kingdom's coinage history. Here's a complete history and geographical context for this coin, along with an overview of the different mint conditions. In 1971, the United Kingdom officially transitioned from the old system of pounds, shillings, and pence to the decimal system. The 2-pence, 2p, coin was part of this shift, issued as part of the new decimal currency system. Prior to this, the penny, 1d, and 2-pence, 2d, coins had been part of the pre-decimal system. The coin features an image of Queen Elizabeth II, who was the reigning monarch at the time. The design was created by artist Mary Gillick. The coin was initially made from bronze, which was later replaced with cupronickel in 1992. On the reverse side of the coin, the 2-pence value is inscribed, with a design of the English rose, symbolizing the unity of the British nation. The obverse side bears the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, along with the inscription Elizabeth II and the year of minting. The introduction of decimal currency in 1971 was a significant change for the British public, as it involved changing how money was used and how coin values were understood. The 2-pence coin became a symbol of the new monetary system, helping to simplify daily transactions. The Elizabeth II 2-pence coins were minted at various locations. These include the Royal Mint, United Kingdom, the main facility responsible for minting coins for the UK. Located in Llantrisant, Wales, the Royal Mint has produced a wide range of coins for the British Empire and Commonwealth. Overseas mints. On occasion, coins may also have been produced at international locations under the supervision of the Royal Mint, but the primary production took place in Wales. There are several minting conditions and varieties of the 1971 2-pence coin, and the value of the coin can differ based on its quality and rarity. The following conditions are commonly found. Brilliant uncirculated, BU coins in this condition are as they were minted with no signs of wear. They often have a bright, shiny appearance, and are typically collected by numismatists for their preservation. Circulated, coins that were used in everyday transactions. These coins will show signs of wear, with slight scratches, marks, or fading, depending on how much the coin has been in circulation. Proof. Some 1971 2-pence coins were produced as proof coins, which are specially minted with a higher level of detail and polished surfaces, making them ideal for collectors. Proof versions of coins are typically not meant for general circulation and are minted in limited quantities. Error coins. Occasionally, coins are struck with errors in their design or minting process. Such error coins are highly valued by collectors. For example, misstrikes, double strikes, or missing features, like part of the inscription, could be considered valuable. Bronze. The 1971 2-pence coins were made of bronze, and the patina or discoloration from age can affect their appearance. A well-preserved bronze coin will have a rich reddish-brown color.